We're going to be talking about farm to school in the classroom on Extension Today.
Extension Today is sponsored by the Ohio State University College of Food, Agricultural, and Environmental Sciences.
I'm with one of my favorite people, Chris Weatherholtz. Chris, talk a little bit more about how we engage students in agriculture through Farm to School at Columbus City.
We wanted our children to have some background knowledge. Oh, you can grow plants, not just outside in soil. You can grow them in water. Yes, you can. And just exposing them to the different traditional and non-traditional agriculture methods has just been awesome.
They really get to be engaged in a different way when you can get them outside and have a classroom essentially outside.
Right, and it's not like we're saying, okay, get this workbook out, get this worksheet out. We're like, oh my goodness, look what happened over the weekend.
So it's truly a program that is classroom focused, academic calendar based, with agricultural skill and workforce development for students, sort of stealthed in really fun outside in the dirt or inside with hydroponics kids.
Exactly. Get them outside and get their hands in the soil, planting, growing, harvesting, and celebrating that harvest.
If you want to learn how you can get farm to school education in your school, head to go.osu.edu/Extension Today.
Extension Today is sponsored by the Ohio State University College of Food, Agricultural, and Environmental Sciences.